How to enroll in PNC Online Banking. If you want to enroll in PNC Online Banking or mobile banking, download the PNC mobile banking application first, or you can also go to pnc.com from your web browser. Now here you can see the option, I want to sign in, yes but I don't have user ID, or no but I'm interested. To sign up for online banking, you must already have a PNC bank account first. So once you have your bank account, select yes but I don't have a user ID button. So it will take you to the enrollment page where you can fill out the form. So here you'll find and need your identification confirmation. So you can select an ID type that you used or open to identify your PNC account, like a social security number, ITIN, employer identification number, PNC online and voice banking user ID, or anything like that. So just select. Normally social security number is the easiest way, so you enter that. You enter your account information, which is your PNC account number, which is your bank account number. Then you can also select following options like a debit card pin, or enter your online access pin, or whatever else, or you can also receive a one-time passcode that will be sent to your phone. So enter a phone number, then tap the next option. After that you have to follow 5 more steps, and then once you've done that, it might ask you to verify your login details and choose a user ID, email and phone number, and as well as also a password. Once you've done that, your mobile banking will be successfully activated. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.